Let's get a little video quickly of it. We're doing our own roof. Getting it done. Had to build we had an addition that was like a one pitch, so we completely reframed and we decided to build overhangs. This side of the house isn't done yet, but this will have overhangs here. And there's no venting that was in the soffits. There's nothing. So we started the roof like 2 weeks ago, and we got all the framing done yesterday. So the whole back side of the house is completely framed. So I figured this is the time to get the shingles. That way the front of the house can stay shingled with the old roof for now. And we've been tarping and pulling the tarp every day we've worked, and we've been going through the 3 things you don't want, which is wind, heat, and rain. All 3 of them have been an issue, but this is what I've been doing. My son and I and Steven have been working on my own roof at my own house. And it's going to probably be a pretty long project because we also have the siding tore off on parts to where we could get access to build the overhangs. And it's nice to see these guys getting it done for me. I couldn't imagine having this delivered on the ground and then you have to carry them up the ladder. I couldn't even imagine. I'll probably do another video just to show the progress on the roof once I'm up there. It's just been so hot, windy, and rainy. I haven't really had a good time to do a video. The house build has been kind of at a standstill. The HVAC guys have still not ran the gas line because they knew that I'd be busy with this, and so they kind of are looking at my project as a fill-in job right now because they told me they've been so busy doing heating and cooling, well, cooling, because it's just been so warm. So they know that that works there, and I'm not in a hurry. If I get to the point where they're holding me up, they'd probably just come and knock it out really quick. So we've been in contact. But yeah, I was talking to this guy out here. I've also found out that I might need some knee surgery on my right knee. I tore my meniscus, and he said he's got surgery on his. He's 10 years younger than me. It seems like every guy that I've been talking to has already had knee surgery or knows someone that has. And I think, but my knee's actually been getting better, even though I've been getting on the roof a lot. Every day it's been getting better. So hopefully that's not the case. But yeah, this is kind of cool watching the conveyor go up. All right, this is Dave signing off. I don't think this guy's noticed me yet, but man, would I be the creeper if he did. All right, this is Dave signing off.